Hey everybody, it's Michael of 4G Woodcrafts. I just wanted to give you a quick update on different things I've done to my CNC workstation, just to give you some ideas of some stuff you might want to do. So I run everything with a Raspberry Pi with this touch screen right here that I've got going to my controller over here that I used aircraft controller plugs to hook all the wires up to it to actually go to the CNC machine. I use a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse to control it, but it's also touchscreen, so I do that quite a bit also. I have a little storage bin here. I've got all my CNC bits in, but the ones I worked on multiple projects, I always have them. I have this magnetic strip here right under the CNC machine. I've got a saw to cut out stuff when I leave tabs, when I do cutouts on the CNC machine. I have this and another one that I have up here too, just some files. This is to change out bits, and then all my common used bits right here. Then over here I've got a power strip that I can plug different things into. I've got the light switches, one for my router, one for my laser, that power plugs that are just on the back side of these. I put plugs on the back side, and then over here I've got everything for my Raspberry Pi CNC controller, the light inside the enclosure, and the power strip comes off of this as well. And I just put a screw here, and I have a Dremel that hangs here. It's got a diamond round bit on it, just to clean up my 3D carvings when I do them. And then I have a start-stop to pause and resume my carves right here. Right now I've got the laser going, engraving something, but then over here I have a gate for dust collection, which goes into the tube and goes over there for dust collection. But right now I actually have it hooked up to a smoke extraction system, which in here I use the motor from a hair dryer, hooked in a switch, and just use an old power supply I had to power that. And then it goes to an exhaust I have over through the wall. I just use dryer vent for that. If you have any questions about anything you see, let me know, and I'll get an answer to you as soon as I can. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.